In this video, you'll learn how to delete events from your Calendly account. This process is straightforward and will allow you to manage your scheduled events effectively. Start by navigating to calendly.com in your web browser. Once you reach the home page, look for the option to log in if you're not already signed in. Enter your credentials and proceed to access your account dashboard. After successfully logging in, you will see the main interface of Calendly. Next, locate the section that displays your scheduled events. Here you will find all your event types listed. Select the specific event you wish to delete by clicking on it. Once you have selected the desired event, look for the three dots icon, commonly referred to as the More Options menu. This icon is usually located near the top right corner of the event box. Click on the three dots to reveal additional options related to the selected event. In the drop-down menu, you will find the option labeled Delete. Click on this option to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation dialog will typically appear to ensure you want to proceed with deleting the event. It is important to read the prompt carefully. After confirming your choice to delete the event, you will be prompted again to verify your decision. Click on the confirmation button that says yes to finalize the deletion. Once this action is completed, the event will be permanently removed from your Calendly account. Finally, you may want to check your events list to ensure the event has been successfully deleted. This step is crucial for verifying that your scheduling preferences are up to date and accurately reflect your current availability. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.